Marbury versus Madison by Crystal L. Gonzalez. In 1796, Hilton versus United States was the first case decided by the Supreme Court involving a direct challenge to the constitutionality of an act of Congress. Hilton versus the United States found that the law in question was in fact constitutional after the Supreme Court engaged in the process of judicial review. In 1803, Marbury versus Madison was the first Supreme Court case where the court asserted its authority for judicial review to strike down a law as unconstitutional. Chief Justice John Marshall maintained that the Supreme Court's responsibility to overturn unconstitutional legislation was a necessary consequence of their sworn oath of office to uphold the Constitution as instructed in Article 6 of the Constitution. Like I said before, Marbury versus Madison was the first Supreme Court case to apply the principle of judicial review, which is the power of federal courts to void acts of Congress in conflict with the Constitution. Marbury versus Madison enhanced the system of checks and balances provided by our Constitution. We can now be assured through judicial review that a law will not be passed that is in conflict with our Constitution. In conclusion, I will leave you with a quote from Chief Justice John Marshall regarding judicial review that reads, "It is emphatically the province and duty of the judicial department to say what the law is. If two laws conflict with each other, the courts must decide on the operation of each. This is of the very essence of judicial duty."